Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can send Telegram messages using Switchboard Canvas and Google Sheets automatically. So guys, here we are connecting Google Sheets as the trigger application and Switchboard Canvas and Telegram as the action applications inside the automation workflow. And after that you have to add the details that you want to send on Telegram inside a row here in spreadsheet, and an image will be created using Switchboard Canvas automatically out of that data, and the same image will be delivered on Telegram in a group as a message automatically. Okay, and to set up this whole automation we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and you can set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. So guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now from here, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is going to look like this. And here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. And here in this name field you can give a name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as send Telegram messages from Google Sheets. Okay, and after giving the name, click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two modules you can set up any automation. So guys, in this trigger module you have to connect the trigger application. The trigger application is that application in which the trigger event is going to occur, and that trigger event is going to start the workflow. Okay, and the action would be the consequence of the trigger or the response towards the trigger. So here we have to connect the trigger action application in which the action is going to occur. Okay, so here guys, in our use case, Google Sheets will be the trigger, and adding of data inside a row in Google Sheet will act as the trigger event. Okay, so search for Google Sheets application, and in the trigger event select this new or updated row option, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL you can make a connection with your spreadsheet, and to make this connection you need to follow these steps written here. So you can just read the instructions and follow them one by one, or you can watch the tutorial video from this link. You can see when you click on this watch tutorial here word, you will reach this page, and here we have created a separate video on the connection with the Google Sheets, so you can learn how to make the connection, and after that you can make the connection with spreadsheet. Right now I'm going to show you how you can capture the test response from this connection that you are making. So guys, I have copied this webhook URL, and here you can see it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means now we can bring the test data from our spreadsheet to here in this workflow. So guys, this is my spreadsheet, okay, named as blog post data, and here I have these details. Okay, we have a link of the blog that I have created, the publishing date of the blog. This is a caption of the blog, and this is the feature image of the blog. Okay, so guys, these are the things that I want to create an image of, and then I'm going to send that image to my Telegram people. Okay, so we are done making the connection actually, and to bring the test response from the spreadsheet to your workflow, you have to open the spreadsheet in an incognito window. If you are using multiple Google accounts in the same browser, there you have to follow the instructions and make the connection. And to send the test data from the spreadsheet to your workflow, you have to click on this send test button that you are seeing here. Click on send test. Okay, and here you can see it started showing test data sent successfully. This means the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet is sent to your workflow as the test data. Let us check in the workflow, and here you can see in this response section we got the data like this. It is showing you the post link, the publishing date, and this is the caption. So this is the same data that I had here. You can see some people never go crazy, and here is the same data got fetched, right? So we got the test data. Now go back to the spreadsheet and click on submit on this initial setup. Okay, you can see the setup is configured. Close this, and you have to do one thing more. Click on extensions, and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on that you have installed, you have to select this send on event option also. When you click on send on event, what will happen whenever you are going to add any new row here, that is going to trigger the workflow and it will start running. Okay, so we are done making the connection, and after that we want to create an image with the help of this test data that we have received. And to create an image, we are using Switchboard Canvas application. Search for it, select it, and in the action event select create images option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard Canvas, and you can find the key from the template section. Let me show you. This is my Switchboard Canvas application, and this is a template we are using. Let me open the templates section, guys. Okay, and here you can see we have this view your API key on the top right corner. So click on it, and this is the key that we want. You can just copy it and paste the key here in this API key field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, here it is asking for the template's name that we are using. So my template's name is this. Let's use this one. Okay, and here you can see in this template we have a few things that we can change with every new image. Like this image here, we can change it. This name field we can change it, and here this text we can change this. Okay, so these are the three variable things that we have in our template, and with every new image these three things are going to change. Let me show you how. First of all, select the name of this template. The name of this template was tweet2. Let me show you from here. Tweet-2 is the name. Okay, select it from here like this, and here it is asking for the width and the height of the image that you want to create. So I'm going to put the standard parameters here like this. These are the standard size parameters we have, and here it is asking for the three things that you want to change: the tweet or the text that we had here inside this template. Okay, the name of this text field is tweet actually. Okay, so let me map the data from the first step. From here we have received the captions. Okay, so I'm going to map these labels here in this field. So just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you this data. From here map the caption. In the handle you can enter your name manually as well, so I'm manually entering the name. Okay, and here in the profile pic or the picture section that we have here, we can map the link of the image that we have received from the spreadsheet. Okay, so this is the feature image link. I have mapped it here. Now click on save and send test request, and a new image will be created out of your template, and you will see the link here in this response. So here you can see we got this response, and here we got the link of the image that got created, and you can see the image from here only. Okay, and here's how the image is going to be created, and here you can see we got the image changed here, the name changed here, the text changed here, and this is the same data that I have filled here, that I have mapped here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, and with every execution of this workflow, that means whenever you are going to add a new row here, these labels are going to be updated and new images with the new data will be created automatically. And after that, we want to send this image to a group in Telegram. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and here I am going to connect with Telegram. For that, select Telegram option, Telegram bot. Okay, and in the action event we have this send a photo option. Select this, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the access token of Telegram. So guys, to get that token you need to create a bot in Telegram, and you need to follow these instructions. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So this is my Telegram, guys, and here in the top search bar you have to search for Telegram bot. Sorry, not Telegram bot, you have to search for bot father. Okay, so when you search for it, you will get this blue ticked bot father icon. Click on it, and here guys you have to send a message which is slash new bot. Send it, and here you can see it is auto replied. All right, a new bot. So how we are going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I am going to give a name to this bot. So I am giving the name as image bot. Okay, now you have to provide a username to this bot. So I am providing the username as image underscore one underscore bot. Okay, so we got a new bot created successfully, and this is the name and this is the username of this bot, and here we got the access token. So you can just copy this token from here, and you have to paste this token here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Telegram. Okay, so we are connected, and here it is asking for the chat ID. But guys, before filling these things, let me tell you that the bot that you have created, you can see it from here, from this link. This is the bot we have created. You have to add this bot inside the group in which you want to send the images. So guys, this is a group I have created. Let us use this one. This is a group I have, Google Telegroup. Okay, here I want to send the images. So I am going to add the bot that I have created in this group as an admin. Okay, so you can do that with the help of your smartphone. I cannot show you that on my screen, but you can easily do that. After that, we are going to move forward in the workflow. So here you can see, guys, I have added this image bot inside this group. Okay, and here let us see now in the workflow, it is asking for the chat ID. So to get this chat ID, you just have to open your Telegram, and you will find the chat ID from the link like this in this format. You can see here, this is my Telegram group, and here on the search bar, you can see after this hashtag, we have a minus sign and the string of numbers. This is actually the chat ID that we want. So you can just copy this chat ID from here, and you have to paste it here like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the caption, the URL of the image, the parse mode, and the notification option. So here I'm going to use the data from the previous steps. So for the caption, we can use Google Sheets, and from here I am mapping the post caption. For the file URL, we are going to use Switchboard Canvas, and this is the file created. I am mapping it here. In the parse mode, you can select HTML or Markdown as you want. And in the notifications option, if you want that these messages give you notifications in Telegram, you can make it yes. Okay, then you can check your connection with Telegram by clicking on save and send test request, and the image along with the message will be sent to this group. Let us check. I am clicking on save and send test request. Okay, and this is the response we have received, and here we have received a new message. You can see, and the message is this. This is the caption, and this is the image, and this is the same image that we have placed, that we have mapped here in the workflow. Let me show you. Let it open first, and here you can see this is the same image, okay, that we have created, that got delivered here automatically. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, whenever you are going to add the details of any message and an image here in this spreadsheet, the images will be created from Switchboard Canvas and will be delivered like these on your Telegram group automatically. Okay, so here, as I have mapped the caption, you can map any other thing as well, and you can send it on Telegram along with the image. So we are done here, and if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.